Sam here with the MarineMax Coco. Today we're going to check out this 2025 Boston Whaler 250 Dauntless. As you can see, it's a light blue hull color. You have the white rub rail, stainless steel insert. You see the light blue undertop, the hardtop. You have a white 300 Mercury, 4-stroke, fuel efficient, quiet. Let's take a look inside. Now that we're inside the 250 Dauntless, back here on the swim platform, you have easy access to your live well. You have a pull-out sprayer here, fresh water. Right here you can see I have the seat. There's 2 seats. They stow in here. I'll just show you quick. The back flips up. And then it's magnet and then a snap underneath. You have easy access to a boarding ladder, your fuel fill, and then you have battery access there. You have rod holders behind the helm seat, as well as rocket launchers on the hardtop. Flip up bolsters, so you can sit or stand and lean against it. A nice clean display, JL audio, Simrad MFD, and a lockable glove box. All your switches, your trim tabs, and your digital pinnacle. Moving forward, you have a nice big lounge seat here with plenty of storage underneath. All your gear can fit in there. You have a insulated fish box here. You have an anchor locker forward of that. This boat is already pre-plumbed with the trailer motor. There's also cushions here, so you can actually lounge out here, backrest, and then put your feet up and relax. And then inside the console, you do have the cushions, and then there is a pump-out head. That's going to wrap up this 2025 Boston Whaler 250. If you have any questions, you want to check this boat out, visit us at MarineMax, or give us a shout at 321-636-3142. Thank you.